going on, ladies and gentlemen? Hey, fun day for us. If you guys are familiar with MCPs, Model Context Protocols, they're a means for AI agents to chat with other AI agents, share information, combine tools, get your data to and from one data source and into another. They're kind of like a low-code API. Wrench's MCP is coming into public beta. So basically, this is a tool that allows you to go into your Wrench workspace, get basically the equivalent of an API key, and then go and connect your Wrench instance, your data, to a bunch of anything, kind of anything to anything. The space is still relatively new, even though these MCPs have been around for a little while. They're still one of those things where there's still some growing pains for everybody with them. But the idea there is that you can connect damn near anything to damn near anything. You'll go into your Wrench workspace, grab an API key. You can go into stuff like Claude Desktop, N8N, Cursor, and we've got some example kind of workflows with what you can do with them. But basically, just kind of imagine that you can take, like in this case, this is N8N if you've never seen it. It's one of these automation platforms where you can basically build your own kind of AI agent. But this allows you to basically take either your Wrench data, your Wrench content, or even your Wrench agents and their chat conversations, and then connect them to other agents. We've actually submitted our own. It'll take a couple weeks before it gets back, and I'll update this, but you can chat with and have Anthropic act as your agent. You can have ChatGPT act as your agent. You can have your agent, Wrench agent, actually act as your model and then connect it to other data sources and stuff as well. So in this one, we've kind of got a template. If you guys are in N8N heads, this one basically we set up, it goes into my calendar every day, pulls down my meetings, figures out who I'm meeting with, sends me a dossier every day, and then emails it to me. Kind of nifty, and you can do a bunch of stuff like that. So relatively quick and easy to set up. They do take some finagling, just like anything else, but it does put a lot of really powerful tools in the hands of people that aren't developers. So you'll probably be a little bit more technically inclined, but you can do some fun stuff. And again, you can connect your Wrench data to anything you can think of, and vice versa. So, anything, go in this one, tell me about Dan at Wrench AI, and then it's pulling it out and it's having actually Anthropic tell me about Dan. So we're going to hand you guys some documentation if you'd like to play with it. And again, you can upload content, upload contacts, download contacts, update contacts, generate bulk campaigns at scale, bunch of fun stuff, generate persona reports and other things. And again, through other chat interfaces, you can connect your Wrench and your instance straight to your Anthropic desktop if you like. Right? I'll look up Dan for you, right? Professional background, right? So you can connect it to these places as well. What's the difference, and is it better or worse than your Wrench agents? It's different. Oftentimes what you can see is one, it's sometimes nice to have backups. Sometimes, I do see people switching models and I fully endorse it. Simultaneously, Wrench agents do have a lot of architecture behind them to keep them more secure, to force them to answer questions a little more carefully. So oftentimes I go, cool. For me, it exposes how much I actually dislike other agents. But if you want to try them, go nuts. You'll oftentimes find they're sometimes faster. You'll see that a lot of the errors that sometimes your Wrench agents have is actually the underlying cause is the model that it's connected to. That happens. So expect some hiccups. They all have hiccups. There is no such thing as no hiccups. ChatGPT opened up its agent interface and its agent feature, its dynamic workflow tools. And they break for a lot of people, including ours, which worked. And again, the whole space is still kind of generating some growing pains, but it does allow you to connect data sets that you never could before. I'd like you to play with it, find out, let us know what you're getting, what you're not getting, what you need. And we can help you further connect your insights. But have some fun with it. But it's a very cool day to get this data in and out of everything else that you're looking for. Very, very cool. Flexibility just went up by 1,000%. So let us know if you have any questions. We'll talk to you soon.